Hello. Many of us will have been waiting patiently and crossing our fingers for some drier weather because March has certainly been a very wet month across much of the UK, particularly for parts of England where it's been the wettest March since 1981, over 40 years ago. Some places have had 3 times the expected March rainfall. But now we turn the calendar over to April, and actually through the weekend things are going to be becoming drier and gradually brighter as well. Not dry everywhere today. We've still got low pressure close to the southeast, and we've got a weather front just draped across western areas as well. So that's going to bring some outbreaks of rain to parts of Northern Ireland, southwest England, South Wales as well. And from the east, with the breeze coming in from the North Sea, that's going to import a lot of cloud and a few splashes of fairly light rain. Some sunshine here and there, particularly for parts of northern Scotland, perhaps a bit down towards Wales into the Midlands as well. Where you do see the breeze coming in though for northeast England and eastern Scotland, only about 7 to 9 degrees. The rest of us typically around 11 to 13 by the afternoon. A few glimpses of sunshine here and there, but most places are fairly cloudy. Into the evening and overnight then we keep a fair amount of cloud and some spots of fairly light rain. That weather front in the west gradually just easing away, fading out through the night. Some clear spells developing for eastern areas, and there could just be a touch of frost for prone parts of eastern Scotland, for instance. That's how we start Sunday. Now Sunday will be an improving sort of day because high pressure is eventually starting to build in, and that's going to clear the weather fronts away and mean lighter winds, a drier and a brighter day ahead for many of us. Still a little breezy for East Anglia and the southeast, but certainly more sunshine than we've seen of late. A little bit more cloud drifting across Scotland at times, Northern Ireland into Wales and the southwest of England too. Still rather cool around the east, 9 or 10 degrees, but most of us about 11 to 13. And of course the sun is starting to feel a little bit stronger this time of year. So Monday then, high pressure still very much with us. We've got a couple of weather fronts sitting out here in the Atlantic, and through the week they'll try and nudge in from the west, but they'll bump into that area of high pressure. So largely dry, and it is looking like a much improved day. Could be some overnight frost though, so a bit of a chilly start to things. By the afternoon though, temperatures between about 10 to 13 degrees for most of us on Monday. And then looking ahead through the rest of this coming week, then a lot of dry and settled weather, perhaps a little bit of rain through the middle of the week, but at the moment it looks a little warmer and drier towards Easter. Bye-bye.